Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do next day delivery on Vinted in 2026. Now, if you want your item to arrive faster or a buyer is asking for the quick shipping, Vinted does allow fast delivery, but only through the specific shipping options. So first of all, it is important to understand that Vinted itself doesn't guarantee the next day delivery on every order. The fast shipping actually depends on the courier option that you select when listing your item. So to enable the fast delivery, you just have to either click on the option of sell now or click on your profile icon, then click on the option of profile. So here you are going to see all of the listings. So you just have to select that particular listing or the item which you want to basically add it. There you need to scroll down and look for the shipping option. In the shipping section, you are going to see different couriers like express or priority delivery. So you need to choose the fastest courier option available in your area. These are usually the ones that offer the next day or 1 to 2 day delivery. So once you have selected that, simply save the changes. Now when a buyer purchases the item, they will automatically get the fast delivery option at checkout. To make sure that it arrives next day, ship the item as soon as the label or the QR code appears. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.